We just heard Parag talk about adapting. And one city that already is having to adapt, for example, to climate change is Jakarta. You might know that because of air pollution, but also because of rising sea levels, Indonesia is actually moving its capital. It's moving it to Kalimantan on Borneo. That is a pretty amazing feat. And on top of that, it's adapting, of course, to the pandemic. And we're going to hear a message now from Jakarta's Governor, Vera Ravina Sari.
Good afternoon, Governing Mayor of Berlin and the distinguished speakers. I would like to share the efforts of Jakarta to manage the COVID-19 pandemic and recover from the crisis. Since the first COVID-19 case occurred in Jakarta, we had taken prompt responses and actions to prevent the COVID-19 infections by intensifying testing, tracing, and treatment, as well as recent efforts to deploy safe vaccines. The pandemic does not merely give impacts to the health aspects of our Jakarta's residences, but also to the economic and the ongoing development projects. From the very beginning, Jakarta maintains three principles for handling COVID-19 crisis. The first one is transparency and equal access to information. The government commits to provide factual information without undue censorship for our residents without any distinction. The second is a data-driven policy-making process. All policy options are formulated day by day based on valid evidence and involving various experts to get innovative recommendations. The third is collaborative. We have collaborated with more than 200 committed parties for medical, logistics, and food aid. However, every cloud has silver linings. In this opportunity, I would like to highlight at least three silver linings for Jakarta. Firstly, the air quality of Jakarta is getting better due to a strict social restriction policy to minimize COVID-19 infections in the city. Secondly, the number of cyclists in Jakarta increased significantly compared to the time before the pandemic. Thirdly, this is the right momentum to push digitalization of the urban system and public administration. Ladies and gentlemen, regarding the digital transformation, at the moment in Jakarta, people can access all essential information in our super apps called Jaki. It even allows people to register for vaccination, see vaccination coverage, and vaccination quota in Jakarta's medical facilities. Moreover, the handling of COVID-19 pandemic by using technology has provided valuable lessons to enhance the data-driven policy-making process. We have to save lives of people who got infected, protect the one who is not yet infected, while at the same time help people to recover from this crisis. That is all from me for now. Once again, Jakarta always opens for any collaboration. Thank you very much.